What's up, guys? It's Grant from Yonaka Motorsports, and today we are putting a Yonaka Motorsports exhaust on the TSX. Let's get this started. So the first step is going to be jack up the car. Next, we got to get these 3 bolts off that connect to the catalytic converter. So we got some rust dissolver we sprayed on there, some PB blaster, and then we went and bought an acetylene torch and an impact driver. So let's get this off. Shout out to Yonaka Motorsports and Tuner Sports for sending us this sweet gear. We got a hat, a lanyard, a shirt, 2 stickers, and a license plate frame. You guys rock. So the first thing we're going to do is take off these 3 bolts that connect your cat back to your catalytic converter. So there's here, here, and here. And I believe they are 12mm bolts. We got a 1/2 inch that fits, so if you equate a 1/2 inch, it should be 12mm. So the old one is out. We built the new one to mimic the old one. What you're going to want to do is spray a little WD-40 on the nipples of the hanger, like so, on all of them, and then inside the hangers as well. Like so. So right now we're just lining up the exhaust tips to make sure they're good. I probably should put them on beforehand, but I did not. So I forgot to make an outro for this video, so thanks for coming to watch this install on a 2006 Acura TSX exhaust. As always, I'm Grant from Yonaka Motorsports. Come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.